15 years ago, a Japanese satellite orbiting the moon captured unusual sights. Amidst countless impact craters, it found a startling dark abyss, a massive hole plunging straight into the moon's interior. This wasn't a standard crater, but a mysterious deep pit. Subsequent observations revealed over 200 such chasms scattered across the lunar surface. Each one appears to be a potential doorway to the moon's hidden ancient world. This discovery has ignited intense excitement among scientists globally. The darkness of these pits, they believe, may conceal crucial information about the moon's past and humanity's future in space. But what exactly are these enigmatic holes? Why are they causing a stir among scientists worldwide? And why is China seemingly racing against America to be the first to enter them? Let's uncover what awaits humanity in the terrifying, mysterious depths of the moon. In recent years, China has rapidly become a leading player in the space competition. They've launched their own space station, Tiangong, conducted successful Chang'e lunar missions, and are now engaged in a direct race against the US for lunar dominance. In May 2023, the China Manned Space Agency announced its ambitious goal to land astronauts on the moon and establish a permanent base by 2030. Significantly, the regions containing these bizarre lunar pits are high on China's list of potential landing sites. Why this intense focus on these mysterious holes? What makes them so special that China is prioritizing them for human exploration and base construction? From a distance, the holes look like typical impact craters. However, scientists hypothesize that they are actually collapsed sections of the ceilings of ancient lava tunnels, vast underground conduits. Billions of years ago, when the moon was volcanically active, molten lava flowed like rivers beneath the surface, creating these long tunnels. As the lava cooled and solidified, a hollow channel, a lava tube, remained. Such lava tubes exist on Earth, for example, in Hawaii, where the Kazumura Cave stretches for about 65 kilometers. But on the moon, due to its lower gravity, these tubes are predicted to be much larger, with some potentially several kilometers wide. Over time, parts of the tube ceilings collapsed, forming the deep surface pits we see today. The good news? The remaining parts of the tunnels are likely still intact and hidden beneath the surface. This means that every single one of these lunar pits is a special gateway, potentially leading us into a massive, billion-year-old cave world inside the moon. Sustaining human life on the moon for extended periods is a monumental challenge. The moon lacks an atmosphere, leaving the surface exposed to deadly radiation, direct exposure to cosmic rays and solar radiation, micrometeorites, unfiltered impacts from tiny space debris, extreme temperatures, swings from over 100 degrees Celsius during the day to nearly minus 150 degrees Celsius at night. This extreme environment is lethal for both equipment and astronauts. But what if there was a safe haven to hide from all these dangers? The gigantic lava tubes or caves offer that perfect sanctuary. The thick rock walls would provide a natural shield against cosmic radiation and micrometeorite strikes. Crucially, the temperature inside the cave would remain remarkably stable and moderate. Unlike the surface's drastic swings, research suggests that the temperature within these pit interiors stays at a relatively cozy 17 degrees Celsius during the lunar day. Building a base inside these caves would drastically reduce the complexity and cost of establishing a safe, permanent lunar habitat. Some tunnels are so vast that entire underground cities could be constructed within them. These natural caves are the foundation for a sustainable, permanent human colony on the moon. The benefits extend beyond mere protection. These natural caves could be made completely habitable. If the entrances were sealed and the interior filled with an Earth-like atmosphere, the rock ceiling would act as a massive, natural pressure shield. Inside, an almost Earth-like environment could be created, only the gravity would be 1/6 of ours. Imagine that bizarre experience. Establishing a self-sufficient base in these lunar caves would significantly reduce the need for frequent resupply missions from Earth. Permanent, long-term lunar habitation would not just be a dream, but a highly feasible and even cost-effective reality. Before these grand dreams can materialize, the first step is exploration. Missions must be sent to survey the pits, verify the structure, and test the stability of these underground environments. Sending astronauts into the unknown dark could be disastrous. We need to know the composition of the cave floor and ceiling strength beforehand. For this reason, space agencies worldwide are developing specialized robots designed to enter and map these abysses. Repelling rovers. NASA concepts include systems that land near the edge of a pit and partially descend, using cameras and lasers to scan the interior and create maps. Spherical robots. Small, rolling spherical robots are being designed to roll into the tunnels and create 3D maps of the interior. Hopping robots. Concepts for hopping robots are also being explored, leveraging the moon's low gravity to leap into and out of the pits with ease. The lunar tunnels might also hold invaluable resources. The moon's soil is known to contain helium-3, a rare isotope that could serve as a virtually limitless clean fuel source for future nuclear fusion reactors. Furthermore, in the deep, permanently shadowed areas of these caves, water may exist in the form of ice. If we can collect and utilize these resources, water, air, and fuel, directly on the moon, the need to transport everything from Earth disappears. The moon could transform into a colossal launching pad for deep space exploration. From there, fueled by lunar resources, we could venture to Mars and beyond into the outer solar system. It's astonishing to think, thousands of years ago, our ancestors sought shelter in Earth's caves for survival. Today, we may be returning to that ancient path, not on Earth, but on the moon. These ancient lunar lava caves may very well become the future home of humankind. History, it seems, is poised to repeat itself.